Your keyboard is still using fixed actuation points, and it's already costing you kills. The Keychron K8 HE uses Hall effect magnetic switches with rapid trigger, so every keystroke resets the moment you release, not at some arbitrary fixed point. That's real-time response down to 0.1 millimeter sensitivity. Actuation is fully adjustable from 0.2 millimeters to 3.8 millimeters, tuned to exactly how you play. Customize everything through the Keychron launcher. No software to install. This is what a competitive keyboard actually feels like. Grab the K8 HE and stop leaving wins on the table.